How to select and present evidence. How evidence is selected and presented has a profound impact on the quality of an assembly and the recommendations produced by assembly members. Evidence can come from different sources, from technical experts, from advocates, from people with direct experience, and the assembly members themselves. Poor selection of witnesses who provide evidence can lead to bias and risk undermining the legitimacy of the process. Presenting too much information can overwhelm assembly members, who also need time to process and to reflect. Remember, people have different learning styles. Not everyone will react well to technical PowerPoint presentations or long documents. Knoca's recommendations for getting it right include carefully select the evidence committee, taking advice from different stakeholders to ensure that the body is viewed as legitimate. Where possible, involve members in the selection of evidence. Cater for a range of learning styles through different types of learning activities. Ensure witnesses are well briefed and understand the diversity of people listening to them. Give plenty of time for reflection, questions, and deliberation on the evidence. Consider inclusion in the selection of witnesses. Where possible, witnesses should reflect the social diversity of the assembly. And finally, record videos of evidence so members can re-watch. This also supports transparency by allowing observers outside the assembly to review the evidence provided. We've got much more information on the provision of evidence on our website.